Okay guys, so we've looked at the open E blues scale, we looked at playing it in triplets, and we looked at using that extension. Alright, now what we're going to do today is we're going to look at a blues run, the E blues scale, the same scale, that's going to take us from here in the neck to here. Alright, so let's just go over that. We've got open E, 3, 5, 6, 7, right? Then on the A, 5, 7, 5, 7, 8, 9. Alright, then 5, 7 again on the G, then 8, 10, 11, 12. And every time you get these notes, you see that we're just playing the same notes over again. Every time we've got 3 in a row, the middle one's the blue note, or the blues note, the devil's note, whatever you want to call it. Right, so 0, 3, 5, 6, 7. Alright, again. Blue note, blue note, blue note. Alright, then 10, 12, then 15. And what I'm at here, back to shape 1 of the pentatonic scale, and if I add in the blue note there, I've got 15, 12, 15, 12, 15, 14, 12, 14, 12, 14, 13, 12, 15, 12. And of course I've got the extension of that, sliding up to 16, 15, 17, 15, 17. And you can then connect everything. So as long as you know this, the open E blues scale, and then connecting right up here, and that's all the notes. Again, the same notes repeating themselves, but using these scales is very easy to visualize them. Of course, we're not making music with them yet, but it's good just to get them under your fingers. Now, I think to mention, if you practice the way I'm practicing, just like the last lesson when we looked at the open E blues scale, I'm playing in triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so practice that again, get that under your fingers, and again, when you get that muscle memory, that is the foundation to being able to play up and down the neck with these. Take it easy, and I'll see you soon with the next lesson.